Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Let's talk about the REI Flexlite macro chair. So as we get started, let's talk about the camp chairs I currently have. Okay, so I have the my car camping chair. It's also from REI. It's a comfort recliner. I don't think they're made anymore, unfortunately. I have the Cabela's camp stool. And now this new one. So I brought my little scale with me, so let's throw them on and get some weights. Because why not? Okay, so this one here is not easy to weigh. Good thing I have a carabiner. Put that on. Okay. So it is. Of course, it has to turn away from my face because, you know, why wouldn't it? So it's 11 pounds, basically, give or take. Cabela's chair should be 1 pound. It's actually 2 pounds. And then the new chair is 3 pounds. So you might be thinking, holy crap, Mark, that's a lot of weight just to carry around just to be able to sit down. But I'll say this, sitting down after a long day of walking is really nice. So let's jump right into these. As I've said, I usually carry this one around in my vehicle. So when I get to wherever I'm going, I have a nice place to sit. And actually, I've gone to parties and whatnot, and there's usually never enough places to sit down. So I've actually gone to parties and have brought this chair with me. So I've shown this on video before. It is all kinds of comfortable, man. And yes, I have fallen asleep sitting in this chair. It's good stuff. Now the Cabela's camp stool, which I've done a video on, you know, for short-term sitting, it's actually pretty nice. If you're sitting down for a long time in it though, it really kills your back because there's no back support. But then again, it's nice to sit down and take a load off. But then again, no back support for lengthy sitting. Which brought me to this. Now this, I actually have not even taken it out of the box yet, to be honest. So this weekend will be its maiden voyage. In fact, I still have the tag hanging off of it. It's actually my first time setting it up as well. I think it goes like this. So it's a mesh construction. Huh?
This chair is pretty comfortable. You need help?
Well, all you gotta do is just squeeze this. It's probably just because it's new, because it's so tight. Whew. Dang. Good Lord. All right. Still away. Now, I've actually never sat in one of these before, so this will be my first time. That's pretty comfortable. That's all the trouble it took me to get in there. Whew. Not bad at all. Got some back support. Yeah. Very happy with this. Okay, so the cost of this chair was $99, which I don't know if that's focusing, because you know, camera. So I use my REI 20% off coupon, which I get because I'm a member, so that took down the cost. And then also, let's see, it's got the hub pull set, simplifies setup and takedown, sturdy aluminum frame, low weight at backpackers, breathable mesh, which is nice, mesh side pocket, flashlight, headlamp, whatever. The bag is pretty nice and sturdy too, so just from sitting in it a few times, it's actually really comfortable. So far I'm quite happy with it.